Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys some hidden features that you guys did not know about with Kikoff. So first off, this is my Kikoff account. I have done a lot of reviews. I figured I'll just do Kikoff reviews for the whole week. This is my last week really focusing on the Kikoff account, but let's actually look at some of the features that I have found. So I already had the $500 account with Kikoff before, and this was my transaction history when I look at my account. So the $500 account is basically the $750 credit line that they have now. So as you can see right here, my line is still only $500. They said, hey, you can actually renew your credit plus the plan to continue building your credit. The thing is, you guys, they are still reporting to the credit bureaus, and I have yet to make another payment on it. So, like I said, I have not made a payment on this, and they are still reporting. So, if I go to my transaction history, the last time they took money out of my account was July 5th of 2023. It is May 29th of 2025. So we're almost at 2 years of me not making a payment, and they're still reporting to the credit bureaus, and they're reporting it as I have an open $500 credit account with them. So this is the thing that I want you guys to be able to do. I want you guys to sign up for the $750 account and let them continuously report to the credit bureaus, even though you don't have an account with them no more, in terms of you're not paying on it. So my account details right here say 0% utilization, and you can see my limit is $500. So my next payment is $0. That's how much is due. I got 0% APR. My statement balance is basically from the 27th to the 27th. So it's the 29th right now. So my next one is not going to be until May 27th to June 27th. It's going to end on the 27th. They're going to report again. They're going to continue to report without making a payment. So a lot of people, they have this Kikoff account and they're paying on it monthly. As you can see right here, again, my next payment is $0. This is the credit account that I just showed you all. They said that I can go and make a purchase on my account and purchase ebooks, but I tell people, don't do this. I tell people, if you're going to do anything when it come down to the accounts with Kikoff, just get the $750 account and purchase these little ebooks for like $3. A $3 one here again. Purchase these $3 ebooks. Probably that's think it's like four of them on here. Purchase the four $3 ebooks, and then let them to take out the auto payments at whatever minimum that they want to take it out at, and then don't do anything else with them because they're going to continue to report. Some people get these plans where it's like the $60 plan, the $80 plan, $240 plan, and I just couldn't vouch for any of these plans. I just personally couldn't do that. I could not vouch for them because I don't know if they're going to continue to report or not. For one, for two, $400 for a plan. This is a lot of money. So you can see right here, making purchases not recommended. Basically, they're saying this will bring up the utilization, which is what I was going to tell you. It's going to mess up your utilization. So let's go back to the dashboard, and they're going to let's go back to make another purchase. With these plans right here, you guys, it's too much money on the credit plan that you already have. You want to spend the least amount possible anyway, so your utilization to be very, very low. And I'm happy that they even had an alert to say, hey, look, we don't think that you should do this because it is going to mess up your utilization. So again, get the $750 account, and I want you guys to purchase the $3 items that's on here. Now, I know that this is about purchasing ebooks. I don't care about none of these ebooks. I don't. I 10 ways to use AI to grow your YouTube channel. That sounds exciting. Yay. Ooh, that sounds like something I want to read. Fine. But guess what? I care more about y'all reporting to the credit bureaus because that's what I came to y'all for. I didn't come to y'all about learning how to grow a YouTube channel. That is a plus if that's something that you want, but I honestly don't know how good these ebooks are. I don't know. I have not read any of them. I only, when I first started using Kikoff, when I first started teaching about Kikoff, I only talked about Kikoff And I only talked about them actually reporting to the bureaus because that's all I cared about. I did not care about these different ebooks or anything like that. All I cared about was in reporting to the bureau. So I would suggest get this $3 one right here, and then they have this ebook beat information overload for $3. That's two of them that you can do. And I would say do the four that they have on here. Another one, unleash your communication skills for $3. So now you're at $9 that you're gonna have to pay, or $9 that you're going to have on your account, basically, because I got a $500 credit and you guys will have $750 credit. And it seemed like I missed a one more $3 one. Let me go a little bit more slower. Oh, Smarter Than AI for $3. There we go. So you have four of them. We're going to have $12 on there. And let me do my math for my utilization. So I got $500 credit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 12 divided by 500. My utilization is going to be at 2.4%. I'm going to tell them to auto pay at $3. And as you can see, this $3 is going to be 1 month of payment history. So that means they're going to report for 4 months. But again, they're going to continue to report for me anyway because I don't know what's going on with their system, but they are continuing to report. Now, I'm trying to keep it under the wraps a little bit, that they're still reporting, but I do want to make sure that my subscribers do know about this. So this is what I suggest for people. And for those people that wanted to do like the self, I talked about when I did like the kickoff versus the self. Those people that want to do a self, there's another account on Kickoff that I love a lot. So if you guys were to go to the Kickoff, your main screen, I had this right here, renew for another 12 months. This is their credit builder loan. Now, this is only going to report to Equifax and TransUnion. I believe that they used to report to all three credit bureaus before, but even with them only reporting to those two bureaus, you guys can still boost up those two bureaus, which is really good. I suggest that you guys do this because they're going to report every month, and you're only paying $10 per month for 12 months. And then look, they're not charging you any fees or any interest of any sort. So after the 12 months, they're going to put that $120 back in your account. So I definitely suggest that you guys check out their credit builder loan because that's the sweet spot for them. And also, I want you guys to check out their actual credit card. That will not want to say credit card, but they $750 account. Again, my utilization is at 0%. You can see right here, they still doing statement balances and all of that. They still got to report this to the credit bureau. My account is not closed. That's why I tell people don't try to close these accounts because they're going to continue to report. Why close the accounts when they're going to continue to report? And I always answer questions in the comments. So if y'all ever have any questions, definitely let me know. But make sure that you guys do the accounts correctly and don't have poor utilization.